Hi. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to display videos in augmented reality using ARJS with multiple markers. With ARJS, we can easily create augmented reality applications that display videos. These applications can be accessed simply through a web browser without the need for installing an app on a smartphone. In this experiment, I am showcasing a video demonstrating how to use a fire extinguisher. When a marker is detected by the smartphone, it triggers the display of a video demonstrating the appropriate use of the fire extinguisher corresponding to the detected marker. In this video, I utilize 3 different markers, each triggering a distinct video corresponding to the detected marker. The concept revolves around affixing these markers onto fire extinguishers. When a worker scans the marker on an APAR, it prompts the display of a video demonstrating the correct usage of that specific fire extinguisher. This aids workers in understanding how to properly utilize the fire extinguisher and its intended purpose. By utilizing this idea, we can affix markers in production areas, which will then display instructional videos demonstrating how to perform tasks as part of work instructions, visually through video. This approach can greatly aid the learning process, as instructional videos can be accessed anywhere using just a smartphone. Before we delve any further, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Here's an example of the markers I'm using. There are 3 types of markers: pattern A, pattern B, and pattern C. You can use markers of various sizes, depending on where they're placed. In the implementation, I utilize pattern A markers to be placed on dry powder fire extinguishers, which are versatile and effective for extinguishing Class A fires, ordinary combustible materials like wood, paper. As an example, I use these markers in office areas. Next, open the browser on smartphone and navigate to the address of the ARJS server that we've set up. Then, point the camera at the marker placed on the dry powder fire extinguisher. The video demonstrating how to use the specific type of fire extinguisher will then be displayed, starting from pulling the pin to extinguishing the fire according to the type of fire extinguisher. Next, we have marker pattern B, which is placed on foam fire extinguishers. These extinguishers are used to extinguish Class B fires, which involve flammable liquids such as gasoline and oil. They are typically placed in production areas. When we scan this marker, it will display a video demonstrating how to extinguish Class B fires caused by liquids. Next, I have marker pattern C, which is affixed to CO2 fire extinguishers. These extinguishers are used to extinguish Class C fires, which involve electrical equipment. In this example, I've placed the CO2 fire extinguisher near the electrical panel to facilitate extinguishing fires that may occur in the electrical panel. When scanning this marker, it will display how to extinguish Class C fires, specifically those caused by electrical equipment, such as those found in electrical panels. That's the setup with the 3 markers placed on 3 different types of fire extinguishers. So, when the ARJS application detects a marker, it will display the corresponding video demonstrating how to use that particular type of fire extinguisher. Here are the files needed to create augmented reality that can display videos with multiple markers. There are 3 folders. Library contains the necessary libraries for creating the augmented reality application. Marker includes the markers used in the application, along with their pattern format and images. Video contains the video files to be played in augmented reality, then, the index.html file that will display the augmented reality application. Here is the code used in index.html. You can download all the code, and I've placed the link in the video description. This augmented reality application is running on a Linux-based virtual private server, VPS. There are several steps to prepare for creating this augmented reality. Required applications include WinSCP, this will be used to transfer files to the VPS. WhoTTY, it will execute commands in the terminal. These applications will facilitate the setup and execution of the augmented reality environment on the Linux-based VPS. Next, on the VPS, we need to install the Apache server so that the application can be accessed from a browser. Next, using WinSCP, transfer the necessary files to the servers folder, which is located in the directory /var/www/html. Next, set up HTTPS on the Apache server so that when accessed from a browser, it will prompt for camera usage permission to run the augmented reality. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure the server can be accessed using HTTPS. For conclusion this experiment. In this video, we've explored how to create an augmented reality application capable of displaying videos using multiple markers. Firstly, we introduced three types of markers used: pattern A for dry powder fire extinguishers, pattern B for foam fire extinguishers, and pattern C for CO2 fire extinguishers. Each marker triggers a video demonstrating the usage of the respective fire extinguisher. Implementation steps include transferring the required files to the server folder on the VPS using WinSCP. Then, we installed an Apache server on the VPS to make the application accessible from a browser. Finally, we set up HTTPS on the Apache server to ensure secure access to the application. For smoother video playback, I recommend uploading the videos to a video hosting platform instead of hosting them directly on the VPS. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.